Welcome to Any Recover channel. OpenAI official has recently launched the ChatGPT app for iPhone. Now, we can finally experience the same features on our mobiles that were previously available only on computers. In this video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT on iPhone and how to use it. Go into your iPhone App Store and search ChatGPT. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for ChatGPT. Among the various AI chatbot apps listed, look for the one called OpenAI ChatGPT. This icon. Download it to your iPhone. But here to noted two conditions. First, the ChatGPT app is only available for Apple IDs registered in the US region. If your Apple ID is from a different region, you won't be able to find or download the app from the App Store. Second, make sure your iPhone is running on iOS 16.1 or a later version. If your iOS version is lower than 16.1, you can't run it either. You'll need to upgrade your iOS system if this software is necessary, which will take some minutes and could result in data loss if failed upgrade. But don't worry, if you need to upgrade their iOS to version 16 without losing data, I have a data recovery software called Any Recover that will save your data back. Just check the link in the description to know more. Now, if you've already downloaded the ChatGPT app and want to learn how to use it, you can skip ahead to this section. Now I'm gonna show other guys how to upgrade without data loss. After upgrade, you find your data disappeared. Launch Any Recover and hit iPhone Recovery. After connecting, it will scan all the data, and you can preview them to check if they are the losing data. Now, let's focus on using the ChatGPT. The first time you launch the app, you'll need to log in with your existing account. So I'll log in with my old account. If you're using a free subscription, you'll have access to GPT 3.5, and the GPT 4.0 option won't be available. Now, you can start a chat by typing your prompt in the prompt bar. Here's an exciting feature: you can also use voice recognition to input your prompt. Just tap the voice icon, and it will accurately transcribe your words. Then tap the menu option to rename or delete the chat. That's all about how to download and use the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. For Android users, don't worry, the app will be available for you soon as well. Finally, if this video helps, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.